I'm not enough to look at my uterus and ovaries. The transvaginal will be very painful. And I'm already in my menstrual cycle. In transabdominal ultrasound, the sound waves have to pass through the abdominal fat and then they reach the uterus. In this process, a lot of information is lost. Whereas in transvaginal scan, the probe is directly reaching to the mouth of the uterus, so the resolution, the magnification for picking up the minutest abnormalities is excellent.
No, transvaginal scans are not painful. As you can see, the probe is designed in such a way that it curves the shape of your vagina, so it easily slides in. You might feel some discomfort like you feel when you go for a pap smear or you go for a vaginal examination. That's all.
As you can see, we put a sterile probe cover and a sterile jelly for every transvaginal scan, so there are no chances of any infection. Yes, it can be done anytime during your menstrual cycle. That does not affect the accuracy or results of this test.
So we avoid the scan in unmarried women because this can sometimes rupture the vagina opening in them. So we better reserve it for married or sexually active women.
Yes, after transvaginal scan, sometimes we can see small amount of bleeding, especially in elderly and postmenopausal women. But that bleeding is not from the uterus or the ovaries. It's either the blood which is pooled in the vagina or because of the dryness of the vaginal wall when we put the probe, some skin abrasion happens and bleeding occurs. But generally, these stop within 24 hours.